Hello students, today we will start with the visualizing the nation heading, fifth heading of chapter Nationalism in Europe lecture 11. It is on page number 23. In this topic we will start about different allegories. Allegory is a new word for dear students. Allegory, how you will define an allegory? It is an abstract idea described through female figure. फीमेल फिगर दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एलिगरी, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आइडिया. जैसे हम कोई विचारधारा होती है, जैसे हमने व्हेन वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया, तब हमने भारत माता की एक तस्वीर बनाई थी, भाई इंडिया एज अ भारत माता, द ब्रेव भारत माता. तो दैट वाज अ फिगर ऑफ भारत माता विच वी विजुअलाइज्ड, कि हमने विचारधारा में कि माता ये जो सर है, मुकुट है, वो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर है, हाथ में तलवार है, जो पैरों के अंदर उनके अंदर शाही शेर बैठे हुए हैं. तो दैट इज़ द इमेजिनेशन ऑफ अ कंट्री. वी विजुअलाइज अ कंट्री इन अ फीमेल फिगर दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एन एलिगरी. अब विजुअलाइजिंग द नेशन, अब कोई भी नेशन को एलिगरी के रूप में पर्सोनिफाई करना. द फेस ऑफ द नेशन, पर्सोनिफिकेशन ऑफ द नेशन. पर्सोनिफिकेशन हियर मीन्स मानवीकरण. एक मानवकृत, एक इमेजिनेटरी. वी आर नॉट गिविंग अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सनस फिगर और पर्सनस फेस, बट एन इमेजिनरी फेस वी आर गिविंग द लाइट फॉर लाइटनिंग अप द nationalism feeling in the country, representing the nations if it were a person. भाई यदि ये पर्सन होता है तो हाउ डिड इट will be looking like. That is an abstract idea described through the female figure is called as an allegory. This is the definition. And now we will talk about two types of allegory. One is in the France. What was the name? The allegory of the France was Christian Marine, and in Germany it was Germania. Both the pictures are given in your book, page number 23. The downward picture of allegory, the Germania, this is the Germania, and this is the Marine, the allegory of Marine. Marine. Then what does the France Christian Marine exhibits? What does it shows? ये क्या शो करती? It exhibits the idea of liberty and republic. This is the 1 mark question. The idea of liberty and republic. And these images are referred or shown on the coins and the stamps of France. The France allegory was Christian Marine, and it exhibits the idea of liberty and republic. These images are coin or on the faces of the coins and the stamps. These are 1 mark questions may be asked to you. The abstract idea or the allegories of France. The allegory of Germany was Germania. The name of allegory of Germania, it wears a crown of oak leaves. ओक लीव्स की लीव्स होती है, उसका एक क्राउन होता है, एक मुकुट टाइप वो पहने होते हैं. दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर हीरोइज्म. दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स. what does the crown depicts for? That depicts for the heroism, that is they can conquer the world. Here what are the different symbols signifies? Some of the significance of the symbols you have read in class 9th of the France. Here the symbols and what is their significance. In your book also the significance is given. Let us talk here. First is the broken chain. Broken chain looks like these are the chain which is broken, being freed from the slaves. That is the when there were slaves, that is this depicts that now there is no slavery, they are free from others and they all are having an equal rights. Then breastplate with eagle. Breastplate, this is an eagle, this is a breastplate which shows the strength. The significance is strength. The crown of oak leaves. The crown of oak leaves, here the oak leaves is this, you can see the picture can be depicted like this. This shows about the heroism. Next is the sword. Sword जो तलवार होती है वो readiness to fight. One of the figure of Germania is also given here with the figure. In this figure you can see she has taken a sword which is that Germania is guarding the Rhine. Rhine, with what is the Rhine? Rhine is the river. Here it is guiding. This is also an imagination, or we can say the personification or the allegory of Germany. With the sword, then the olive branch, it looks like this one, this type, willingness to make the peace, that they needed peace and heroism plus strength, and they must be freed from every difficulties. Next is black, red and gold tricolor. This is the tricolor of Germany. The tricolor of France is blue, red and white. And here black, red and gold tricolor flag is of Germany. Rays of rising sun. In this way the rays, the background of the rays, beginning of new era. So these are the different symbols visualizing the nation. In this part we have read. The next topic which we will consider is nationalism and imperialism. So students, you have to draw this and you have to know about the different symbols and the significance, and what were the name of the France allegory and Germany allegory, and what does it stands for, depicts for, where are they found, and what definition of allegory.